withstand impact. I was doing a different demo for you. I would ask a plate that is coated with zinc. Please take a hammer and bang it. If it's a paint, you will see the crack marks. Right? You will see flaking taking place, not the place of zinc. Okay? That means the zinc will sacrifice, korbankan sendiri, to protect the steel. Alright, that's what it is, okay? The ideal scenario of surface preparation, as you all may be aware, is to blast, SA2.5. When you blast, you take out everything from metal, all loose paint, loose brass, you bring it to bare metal, you apply the zinc, and that's it. So what is the next best thing to do? Power brushing, ST3, manual tools, ST2.
But yeah, this is mainly for carbon steel, any grade of carbon steel, right? 103, 105, 106, 109, all of them are okay, right? Piping, structures, anything. Even galvanized steel. This is obviously like galvanizing. This is cold galvanizing. Okay. Any other questions?
Yeah. Say the corrosion is very bad.
Okay. That means when you say very bad, it means very deep corrosion. Yeah. Because you have to let inspection first inspect it, right? So say okay, Tamasla, you can go and paint it, even if it's deep corrosion. So if in that case, you can chip it off and you can paint it then with this. Okay, with zinc, this type of material, you can use it today, keep it away, open the can or the spray, do it again later. You use 100% of the material. There is zero wastage, right? And you can use it today, you can use it next year, you can use it 10 years later. Still nothing will happen.
We guarantee. If you do the job correctly and properly, the guarantee will come into play, and you will see the results for yourself.
Daripada helmet, cover roll, safety glass, and then kita punya safety boot. So dia punya additional is gas mask. Kalau kita pakai SCP, kita kena pakai air compressor. So itu kena ada air plug lah. So kalau yang ini I think no need lah sebab SC itu dia pakai hand tool saja.
Kita punya sabun, kita pasang air, kita punya wire brush, and then kita punya pasir lah.
remember, you have to prepare the surface well. You wash it well, don't leave the edges. Spraying is the easy part. Spray the edges, done crevice into the holes, oval, and then you do 6 passes. 2 passes, pull a second, 2 passes, step to the second, 2 passes, step to the second. Yeah? You do like that.
Okay, There are 3 reasons why you have failure in FLN. Number 1,
Preparation.
yes, improper surface preparation. Okay, this is the first is a killer. Number 2, what would be another reason? Yes, insufficient protein thickness. Okay. Number 3 is what we call holiday or misspray. That means you did not spray the egg. Okay. So if you follow all of these basic principles, alright, then you will really okay, no problem. Guys, it's much easier this way compared to what you would do if you use a normal system.
And thank you again. We will make sure that you all become certified. At the end of this, we need you to start practicing this and also teaching your colleagues about how to do this right here. So give yourselves a big hand. Thank you very much. Okay guys, thank you so much. Take care, please carry on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you.